Okay guys, so welcome. Let's dive straight into today's video. The question goes this way. They say the future of cryptocurrency regulation, adoption and more. So guys, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please ensure what you like, you comment, you subscribe. Let me know where you are watching this video from and drop me a thank you in the comment section. So quickly, let's do this and so we learn quickly. The first question is, what is the overall outlook for the future of crypto according to the video? Now this is the answer. The answer is this: a stable, accessible and widely accepted financial system. Now the next question is this: which companies were mentioned as example of mainstream adoption? Now the answer is this: Tesla and PayPal. They were the companies that were mentioned. Now the next one is this: what could mainstream adoption mean for crypto in everyday life? Now this is the answer: people using crypto for everyday purchases like coffee. So guys, please ensure what you like, you comment and subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section because I always post this quiz answer daily for you guys. So the next thing for us to do is to tap on check, and once you tap on check, you are going to see we got it correctly. So now this is it. You see it is correct. So we'll tap on claim and that is it. So we got the answer. So the next quiz, I'll be dropping it immediately guys. So now